Fried chicken, number 1. Clean, wash, and cut to pieces a couple of spring chickens. Have ready in a frying pan enough boiling lard or dripping to cover them well. Dip each piece in beaten egg when you have salted it, and then in cracker crumbs, and fry until brown. If the chicken is large, steam it before frying, as directed in the foregoing recipe. When you have taken out the meat, throw into the hot fat a dozen sprigs of parsley, and let them remain a minute, just long enough to crisp, but not to dry them. Garnish the chicken by strewing these over it. Fried chicken, number 2. Cut up half a pound of fat salt pork in a frying pan, and fry until the grease is extracted, but not until it browns. Wash and cut up a young chicken, broiling size, soak in salt and water for half an hour, wipe dry, season with pepper, and dredge with flour. Then fry in the hot fat until each piece is a rich brown on both sides. Take up, drain, and set aside in a hot covered dish. Pour into the gravy left in the frying pan a cup of milk. Half cream is better. Thicken with a spoonful of flour and a tablespoon of butter. Add some chopped parsley, boil up, and pour over the hot chicken.